In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your website with Weebly. Whether you're updating content, making design changes, or just keeping your site fresh, editing with Weebly is a straightforward process that allows even beginners to make professional-looking updates with ease. Let's start right at your Weebly home dashboard. Here, you'll notice a drop-down menu located on the left side of your screen. This feature is particularly handy if you manage multiple sites. By clicking on this drop-down, you can easily switch between different projects without the hassle of logging out and back in. Simply select the site you wish to work on from the list. This action ensures that all subsequent changes and edits you make are applied to the correct website. Once you have selected your site, there are a couple of ways you can dive into editing. The traditional route is to navigate to the left panel and click on the button labeled Website. Doing so will reveal another option titled Edit Site. Click this, and you'll be swiftly directed to the site editor. The Weebly site editor is where all the magic happens. It's your creative playground, enabling you to tweak and transform your site with just a few clicks. It's designed to be intuitive, with drag-and-drop functionality that makes rearranging elements like text, images, and videos refreshingly simple. Alternatively, if you're looking for a quicker route, there's another method. Keep an eye out for the Edit Site button conveniently located at the top right of your dashboard. Clicking here will get you to the site editor just as efficiently. This option is perfect if you're in a pinch and want to jump straight into editing with minimal navigation. Once inside the site editor, you'll find a host of tools at your disposal. You can update text by clicking directly on it, change fonts, colors, and sizes to match your site's style, or even add new sections like galleries and contact forms. Ensure all your changes align with your overall website goals, whether that's improving usability, enhancing aesthetics, or updating your business information. And that's all there is to it. See how simple it is to switch between sites and make changes to your Weebly website? With these steps, your website will always be up to date and engaging for your audience. Remember, the more you explore and practice within the Weebly editor, the more confident and proficient you'll become at crafting the perfect website. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing with Weebly.